have the alpha, beta, delta, and theta. Hypnosis is basically when the brain transitions from the alpha or the beta to the theta or the deep delta state, where all actions become involuntary, making the subject susceptible to outside influence.
Yeah, suggestion and all of that.
Suggestion, right. And then neuro-linguistic programming, often used interchangeably with natural language processing because they both consist of the same abbreviation, NLP. Mm-hmm. But natural language processing is like a multidisciplinary discipline. It's a correlation between computer language and linguistic models. Now, neuro-linguistic programming basically is a correlation between neurological processes, linguistic models, behavioral patterns, and the human experience. So what do they all share in common? They are all capable, they are all a form of subliminal influence. Now, subliminal in and of itself is information that bypasses below the psychological threshold.
How this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been going up.
I would probably use the X-Men analogy where it's quite conspicuous that there's some sort of biological evolution occurring with the X-Men. And no two gifts are identical, but it's clearly the X-Men. So from that perspective, what you find with not just neurotypicals, but atypicals. Now, I'm not an expert in this area because my views are based from a self-referential, which is sort of subjective, and empirical analysis only, which is